This is how to make an invisible Discord profile. It's actually extremely easy. So using the YouTube ad revenue I got a YouTube description simulator technology. Now there are going to be two major components to this actual thing. First off, I would go to the invisible character in the description, and you need to copy what's in between the quotes. On the YouTube description, it will not show a box, but in Notepad it will. But just copy the small bit of space in between the quotation marks. And once you copy it, you can either change your name through Discord if you want, or you can just change your nickname if you want to do it on a specific server. So copy it and paste it in and press save. And now you have lost your actual username. It's invisible now. So next up, you need to go into the YouTube description, and using the simulator technology, you need to go to the Google Drive link in the description, and you will see this page. You need to click download all. And once you download it, because I've already pre-downloaded it, I'm so far ahead, go into your downloads, and you need to click on the invisible Discord profile zip file, then drag the folder into your downloads, go back to your downloads, open up the folder that you just dragged in, and you will see this black square that says invisible PFP profile picture. What you need to do is you need to go into your user settings, then you need to click change avatar, and you need to navigate to that photo. And once you navigate to the photo, press apply and press save, then press escape. And once you go back to Discord, you will notice that you now have an invisible username, and you can type in whatever you want, and you'll be invisible. And that's it. See you later. How to undo it, just its normal Discord functionality. You guys got this. Best of luck.